Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. First, ensure your Robinhood account is fully verified. You will need to complete any necessary identity checks to enable cryptocurrency trading. Once verified, you can proceed to fund your account. Robinhood makes it straightforward to add money, allowing you to quickly get started with your Bitcoin purchase. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience. After verification, link your bank account to Robinhood for easy transfers. You can typically deposit funds instantly, allowing you to begin trading without delay. Navigate to the Bitcoin page within the app and select Buy. You can then enter the specific dollar amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Review your order details carefully before confirming your transaction to ensure accuracy. Once you own Bitcoin, you can easily monitor its performance directly within your Robinhood portfolio. Robinhood securely holds your cryptocurrency, simplifying the management process. Many investors consider a dollar-cost averaging strategy, which involves investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of price fluctuations. This approach can help mitigate risk over time and build your position steadily. It is important to remember that cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, meaning prices can change rapidly. Always invest only what you are comfortable losing. Additionally, understand the potential tax implications of buying and selling Bitcoin. Consulting a tax professional is always a good idea. For other great deals, including the best socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the links in the description below. Your support helps us create more content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.